Hello everyone, welcome to Skillify. Next topic here we are going to say is data types. The next data type is list data type. What is list? List is the array of data. Array of data. Instead of using arrays in Python, we are using list. Instead of arrays, we are using list. In list, the main thing is we can change the data. We can change the data inside the list during runtime. So the list is a mutable data type. Mutable data type. The reason why we are saying it is a mutable data type means we can change the data during the runtime. This is what the main advantage is of list data type. List is another one type of data type in Python. We can change the data inside the list during the runtime itself. So it is called mutable change the data type. Mutable means changing the value inside the variables. So here I am creating one simple list. The list is denoted by the square bracket. Okay, let's see what are the functions available in the list. First thing is basic list program. Basic list. So I'm creating one list that is apple and banana. Here I'm having two values. First is apple and the next is banana denoted in square bracket. So I'm having two values inside the variable A, which is in list data type. That's time printing the A variable. While running this, I can get the values inside the variable that is apple and banana. This is the way we have to write the list or create the list, and we can print the list by using the print statement. And now we can have some special functions, that is character position. Yesterday we saw in the string that is A is equal to apple and banana. Here I'm having two values, that is apple is in 0th position and banana is at first position. In string, it will separate each character, but in the list, it will get the whole character as the first position and 0th position. So apple is in 0th position and banana is in first position. So if I'm printing A of 1 means it will display the value as banana. Because apple is in 0th position, banana is in first position. This is the way we can get the character position in the list data type. Again, I'm explaining if I'm having one string means example hello. So it will get the value by its character. Like from H is in 0th position, E is in first position. Like this way, it will get calculated. But in list, it will take the whole set of characters as the first array and 0th array. So while running this, I will get the one character in string, but the whole character in list. This is what the main difference between list character position and string character position. So here apple holds 0th position and banana is in first position. Here I'm getting A of 1, so the output will be banana. If I'm giving 0 means, then the output will be apple. This is for the character position function. The next one is changing values. Yeah, already we told that we can able to change the data during the runtime. So here I'm going to change the data. A is equal to, I'm taking the same thing, apple and banana. Now I'm just changing the value by using its position. For example, if I'm giving A of 1, that is the A of first position, we are having banana, but I'm just replacing that with cherry. So while printing A, I will get apple and cherry because I have replaced A of first position value with cherry. So here we are having banana in A of first position. It will change into cherry and the A will get updated as apple and cherry. If I'm giving 0 means the apple value will get changed into cherry and the output will be cherry and banana. This is how we get changing the value during the runtime. And we are having another two functions and I will explain you after discussing the loops topic because it surrounds by the loop. So we have to discuss that before. After that, I will work on that, how to store the values inside the loop in the list. The next thing is length. Yesterday, in the previous class, we discussed, right? To get the length of the value, we can use len keyword. So here I am using that keyword. A is equal to having the same list, apple, comma, banana. So here I am just getting print length of A. So len is a keyword to get the length. Length starts from 1. So apple is in first position and banana is in second position. The total length of the A is 2. So again, I am explaining length will start from first position. Apple is in first position and banana is in second position. So we are getting the whole length as 2. This is what the length function. And the next thing is add item. Add items. Yeah, we can add items during the runtime in list data type. Here I am having the same list. A is equal to, for adding the items, there is one keyword called append. Here I am writing that append. So what does append will do? Append will add one item at one time in list data type. It will support only for the list data type. For other data types, we can't able to use append keyword. In the list, we can use append keyword to add a specific item. Here I am adding one value. A dot append. A dot append of example, I'm adding mango. So now I'm printing A. So it will add the data at the end of the list, apple, banana, and mango. This is how we can add the items in the existing list by using append keyword. The next thing is insert. What is insert? We can add insert, but the insert has a specific syntax. Already we discussed the syntax is a set of rules. To insert one element in the existing list, there is some syntax. Insert, position, comma, value. First we have to give the position. After that we have to give the value. So here I'm using the same list and I'm inserting one data. A dot insert in the second position, because apple is in first 0th position and banana is in first position. So I'm adding the data in second position. So in second position, I'm adding somewhat value grapes. After that, I'm printing that A variable. While running this, I will get apple, banana, grapes. If I'm giving the position as 1 means, it will give the output as apple, grapes, banana. Because I gave first position here, so it will replace the banana with the grapes, and after that the banana will get added in the end of the list. This is the way we can add, we can insert the data. Add is one of the method and insert is one of the method. The only differences, both are having different syntax. For adding the elements, we will use append, and for inserting the elements, we can use position and value. The next thing is remove. Yeah, what is remove? We can remove the elements by directly giving the element name in the list. For example, here I'm having the same A function. So if I'm going to remove apple here, so for that, can give A dot remove of apple. Or else I can give A dot remove of apple, print A. Okay, if I'm running this code means it will remove apple. So the first thing is to remove a specific element from the list, we can directly give that element name. So if I'm giving banana means it will remove the banana and we will get only apple here. The another thing is pop. What is pop? In list, pop will automatically delete the last element from the list. Here I'm having the same list. So I'm using pop function here. A dot pop print A. Pop will automatically remove the last element from the list. So here I'm having another one list named cherry. So if I'm running this code means the cherry will automatically get deleted. because the pop will delete last element from the list. There is three types. First thing is remove. To remove the list data from the list. If to remove the using remove function, we can directly give the element name in the remove function. For the pop will automatically remove the last element from the list. This is the two difference. And the next thing is delete. For delete, I'm having the same list. But to delete the value, we have to use the keyword called del. DEL A of 0. To delete the value, we have to use the position, that is 0 or first or 2. Like that way, we have to give. For removing the element, we can directly give the element name. For the use of pop is, it will automatically remove the last element from the list. We are having three ways to remove the elements in the list: remove, pop, and delete. We are directly giving the element name in remove. The pop will automatically remove the last element from the list. And for delete, we have to give the index value or its position value. So here I am giving delete A of 0. And after that, I am printing A. So in the A of 0 position, we are having apple. So the apple will get deleted and the existing banana name will be displayed here. This is what the base we can delete the values from the list. The next thing is clear. What is clear? It will automatically clear the whole values. For example, if I'm giving A dot clear of print A. So clear will automatically remove all the elements from the list and it will display the empty list. So clear is used to remove all the elements from the list. The next thing is copy. What is copy? It's a duplicate. So here I'm having the same list. I'm creating another one variable B. There I'm giving A dot copy of print B. So while I'm running this, in the B element itself, we are having the same values which is inside the A. So this is the way we can copy the elements. First, we are having one list and I'm creating one variable. Inside that variable, I'm using copy function. From where I have to copy the data means from A variable. So I'm having A dot copy of, then print B. This copy of function will copy the values inside the A variable to B. So just I'm giving print B, it will display the values A, apple and banana, which is in A variable. This is the way we can copy the values. The next thing is count. What is count? Count will count the number of elements, how many times the elements present in the list. How many times? How many times the specific elements present in the list. So here I'm having the same list, but I'm adding apple for 2 times. So I'm going to check how many times the apple existing in my list. So I'm giving apple here. Print A. So while running this code, I will get, print. Okay, if I'm running this code, we will get 2 because here I am having apple for 2 times. To get the how many times a specific elements is present in the list, we can use count of. The count of will display the values, how many times whether the values present in the existing list. This is what the use of count. And the next thing is extend. Already we have seen what is append. Append will add a specific value or one value at the time in the specific list. But by using append, we can merge 2 lists. For example, if I'm having A list and another one list I'm having mango. So here I'm going to extend this by using extend variable. Here I'm extending A dot extend of B. So I'm just extend the values inside the B variable into the A variable. So just I'm printing A. While running this code, we will get apple, mango and banana because the B variable which holds the mango will add into the A variable along with apple and banana. This is the use of extend. Append will add one element at the same time in the specific list, but we can merge 2 lists by using the extend keyword. And the last thing is sort. What is sort? Sort is nothing but it will sort the values in ascending order. For example, if I'm having the list banana, comma, cherry, comma, apple. So this is my list. If I'm giving print a dot sort of print a. So while running this code, it will automatically ascending the values. Apple, A is the first word, B is the second word, and C is the third letter in alphabet. So it will automatically sort the values. That is, it will sort the values in the ascending order. This is the use of sort.